In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was testing radar equipment when he felt something strange. His candy bar had melted in his pocket. But it wasn't a light bulb at all, it was a magnetron. A radar tube blasting invisible microwaves powerful enough to cook chocolate. Percy's curiosity sparked experiments. He placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and they popped right off the table. 2 years later, his company Raytheon built the first microwave oven, Radarange, a 6-foot, 750-pound beast. At first, only restaurants and ships could afford it. $3,000 in 1947. Over $50,000 today. From a melted candy bar to a kitchen revolution, Percy Spencer didn't just cook a snack. He cooked up a new era of science.